Norton and the Bear by Gabriel Evans. Norton liked to dress differently. It made him feel unique. One day he found a sweater. It was very woolly and warm. Not a single person in the street had a sweater quite like it. Norton felt good. He felt exceptionally unique. Oh my, what a lovely sweater! Quality knitting, exquisite pattern. I must get one just like it. Look, we match! Norton was horrified. He walked quickly away from the bear. People would think they were identical. He needed to look different, fast. Norton chose the beige scarf. He felt unique again. Norton relaxed. The birds were singing. The sun was shining. Most of all, everyone around him was dressed differently. Oh my goodness! That scarf is the perfect accessory for this sweater. I must get one. We look so similar. We're like identical twins. Norton ran from that annoying bear and hid. Then ran some more and hid. Then disguised himself and went into a hat shop. Norton tried every single hat on. He decided on the green hat. It was the only one in stock. The bear wouldn't be able to copy him. Norton left the shop, once more feeling unique. Yoo-hoo! Norton panicked. That dreaded bear. He had to look different fast. He bought socks. Socks over boots? What a fabulous idea! Norton stuck a flower in his hat. Splendid! This adds a touch of floral sophistication. Norton shoved a stick in his sweater. Now, this is a fashion statement. Look at us! We're so similar. I don't know where you end and I begin. Stop copying me! This is me, not you. I don't want you copying me. This is my style. Find your own. I'm sorry you don't appreciate me admiring you. I will endeavor to find my own style. Good day, sir. The sun was warm. The birds were singing. And Norton felt bad. Ahem. I'm not sure if you recognize me. This is my cape. It's my new style. Norton really liked the cape. He wanted one very much. I'll got one for you too, if you'd like. Norton decided that wearing the same clothes didn't matter so much. Let me buy your coffee. I prefer tea. And even if they looked identical, they were still very different. The end.